Welcome to Oracle Apex tutorials. In the last tutorial we have seen that how to generate a forgot password link. In this tutorial we will complete the forgot password functionality. For example, I will request the link once again. I have entered registered email ID and click the submit button. Once I click the submit button, we are receiving a success notification saying that link to password reset has been sent to our registered email ID. Now we need to check our inbox. We have received email notification. Just open it. This is the latest email. So if you see here, it is saying that please reset your password using the link. So in our process we have constructed the link, but in the previous video we have just make some hard coded thing. If I click here, if you see the URL below, it is showing that it is navigating to some other page. So this is happening if you go to the page process. We are in the page 3, it is same page here, or we can navigate from here. Okay, this is the page where we entered registered email ID and click the submit button. On click of this submit button, we have written a process reset password. So this process, it will send a password reset link to the registered user email. So here it is from address, it is hard coded. So this should not be hard coded in real time application, as we are using free Oracle Apex instance. By default it will send email notification from this email ID. So if you give any email ID in the from section, it will be ignored. So whatever you we given in the to email ID, it will send to that email ID using the default Apex extension no reply this email ID. So we can ignore about this thing. After that, if you see in the body HTML at line number 22, so here I have used a variable reset link. If we trace this one, here I have hard coded the base URL, and this apex underscore util dot prepare URL, it will prepare a URL, means, so here this is the syntax of the URL. Here what I am constructing means app ID, means this is the application ID. This is the bind variable to access application ID dynamically. Then I am saying that, so for the application, current application, page number 4 and session, existing session, it will take, or it will then in the page number 4 I have a page item token. So I am setting some token. So here I am generating the token, that is sys underscore GUID, means this is the shortcut of system generated unique ID. So this will generate some 16 digit unique number, varchar and alphanumeric number it will generate. So here this will construct the URL and email will be sent to the registered email ID. So now if I click the link, if I click the link, again it is navigating to the login page. Why? We need to trace that. So for that we need to go to page number 4. We can directly navigate from here, or we can go from here and select page number 4 and click the edit. So this page, it is navigating to login page when we access through the link. That means this page is not a public page, so we need to make the page is public. So just type authentication. Yeah, the page is public, but still it is going to the okay. Let me trace the issue. Yes, as for my tracing, I have notified that after apex.oracle.com there is a double slash is generating in our email. So we need to fix that. Maybe we have issue in this page. So like this, we need to trace. Now again I will go to the page number 3. Just I will remove this and re-trigger the email. Also there is some updated packages available, like apex underscore page, apex underscore application dot get page URL or something is there. Can use that. I mean to say this function. If you use this function, so no need to hard code the previous base path. So it is better to use always this function. I use this one just to make the comparison between two, so that you can have idea about both the available functions. So now we will re-trigger the email. Until the email come, we will just close everything. Yes, we have received the email. Once again I will click the link. Yes, now this time it is navigating to our new page. So I will just go to this page and I will explain what I have did. The page in the previous page, this is the page number 3, where user will enter his registered email ID, but once he click the email link, it is navigating to the 4th page. That is, this is the different page. So here it is asking for this one, means as we open this from the email link, there will be session mismatch. So it is asking us to if we want to edit this page from using this developer toolbar, we need to log into the developer window. If you click OK, it will just open the page designer. You can close these or you can keep, no problem. Okay, so this is our page number 4. Here what we have did, I have created some page as page number 4 and I named it as reset password, and for this page also I will create select the template as login. So I don't want to see this page navigation bar or something, some menus we don't want to show. So what I will select, I will select the page navigation as page template as login page. Save it, run it. Now it is showing blank, that is fine. Okay, here I will create a region where user can update his password. So first create a region. I will name it as reset password. Can provide some icon. Just run the page to see the preview. Okay, it is coming like this. For this also I will select the template as login, so that it will just before selecting that it is coming at a full. So I just want to make it some standard, so I have selected template for this region also as login. Save and run to see the preview. Yes, this is what I am looking for. Then we need to have a user need to enter password and confirm password, and we need a button to save the password, new password permanently. So we will quickly create those page items and buttons. I will name it as new password. And this type should be password. We have a field for password, the type is password. Save and run to see the preview. Yes, it is coming like this. Okay, so we already discussed to change the look and feel for some page items. We can change for this also using the templates. I don't want this to be a floating type. I will just select as hidden. I will quickly create another page item, or I will just make a duplicate. We can use this functionality. This is very useful. So if you duplicate this one, it will apply everything template and everything as same. Then just come here and change the label, so that we can increase our productivity. So this should be our confirm password. Yes, and you can notice here for this the label didn't change automatically, means when you create a new page item and try to change its name, that time it will change. But if you make a duplicate, you need to manually change the label. So change it to the confirm password. Yes, done. And also we can notice one option here, submit when enter is pressed. Whenever you select password as a type, this will be automatically checked. So we don't want this, means if user enter the password and if he hit enter button from the keyword, the page will be submitted to the server. That I don't want to make in that way, so I am disabling. For this also disabling, yes. Just I will run the page to preview. Yes, we have the page. Now I will just want to make the fields more larger, so I will select extra large. Here also I will make it extra large. Yes. Now we have just a blank field, so user don't understand what to enter here. So we will just add some placeholder for the page items. Type here placeholder, and this is our new password. So no need to save every time if you change something. So we can make the changes as a bulk and save the all changes added together. So for this also I will make placeholder as confirm password. Okay, then I wish to add some icon for this. Here you go. This also I want to add icon. Yes, now I will save all the changes whatever I have done till now as a bulk. Yes, now it is looking better. Okay, now we need to have some button to save the new password. I will name it as update. Password. Okay, so here we have some dedicated positions for the button. Just drag and drop in something and see the changes. So I have selected edit position. Now it came like this. If I select the next, so for next position it is stretched and it came at the center. So this is somehow looking good. So I want to make the button as highlighted one, so I will just select it as hot. Also we have different button templates, so we can select those things from here. For example, the normal type button and warning and danger and success. So warning means it will come in some yellow color button, danger it will be red, and success it will be of type green. So that I will show now. Okay, this is looking good now. So I will just quickly show you different button types. Yeah, now it is a normal type button with hot selected. If I select the primary, you can notice the color change, and for warning it will be up yellow, and for danger it will turn into green, and success it will be green. Okay, so these are the changes. Now we just have the page where user can reset his password, but we have not yet written the actual update process. Even though the link is navigating to, I will just re-navigate to the page once again from the link. And this is the latest link. Let me access once again. Yeah, this is coming correct. We here we have, I have already explained that the system generated ID is generating some unique token. Okay, so that token it is set to page number 4 token item. Okay, so here now I will go to the page 4 and write the process for updating user password. Okay, so in the process we will write a process. Just create some process and write your logic to update the password. Name it as update password. Okay, so it will be simple. Update and your table name. What is our table name? You can right click and open the SQL workshop in the new tab, and so our table name is meeting room users. We can access quickly from recently created tables tab. So this is our tables. Copy the table name, update meeting room users, and we need to set the password. Set password equal to colon new password. Okay, and we need to be very careful here. So if you just write this thing, it will reset all the users password to this. That should not be done. We need to take care whenever we are writing any insert or update or delete statement in the application. We need to be very careful that we are updating correct records. So here what we need to update password for only that user where the email ID it is the token generated email ID. Okay, so we will use that email ID as a variable for comparison, where email ID equal to colon. We don't have any page items for for passing to this email ID. So what I will do, I will just create one page item to store the email ID, user email ID. Then we don't want to display this in the screen, so I will hide it. Then it is now hidden. So we need to get value for this email ID field. How we can get? So we can either write the default value for this, or so we can write default value and select SQL query, and here we can see that let me complete the query and explain you. So actually I have created one more table for maintaining the password reset token. It should be there. We need to maintain this thing. Okay, so this is my new table I have created already. So it has some ID as a unique primary key, and we need to store username and token also we need to store. So if you go to the, let me save this, it will not allow to save. Okay, let me complete the SQL query. Select username from password reset token. Here we need to write where condition, where token, because we are passing the token through the email link, so that it will fetch correct user ID. The semicolon, and this is the correct query. And after that we need to complete this process also. So here I will put email ID. Yeah, save this, and we need to link this process when the button is clicked, update button is clicked. So for that you can just navigate to the action. Okay, save it. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so now I will explain how the data is coming to this table. So whenever the user is requested the forgot password, so in that time, so it will store system generated token ID and user name, that is email, user email, in this table. So that is there in the page number 3. So here in this page we have when user click submit button after entering the email ID. So here you can see I am inserting this into the user token table. Okay, this is clear. Yeah, so now we will complete the flow. Let me re-click on the link. Okay, I have clicked the link. Okay, here we can see whether that email, user email field has got the value or not. Okay, so it is not showing here. Okay, no problem. but we can also confirm that by just making that to display only field for the first time, and if it's working fine then we can hide it permanently. Okay, make it the display only for us to make confirmation. Re-click the link. Yes, it is getting value, that is correct. Okay, now we can hide that thing. It is now hidden. So here now I will reset the password. I will show you the current password is this is my table. Here we have data. Yes, this is the user. I am trying to reset the password. You can notice here the password is this one. Now I will update the password to the new password. Okay, now I will just click update password. Yes, something is happened. So now we will check our table to check whether the password is updated or not. Yes, it is updated successfully, but if you see here, so it is still there at the same page, and also it didn't give any um, success message, so that should not be there. User need to have some clarification about what he has done. So we will add some useful information to the user. So for the process we can add success message. Type here success. So here we can add your password. Updated successfully. Okay, I will try to access the link once again. Let me close everything. Okay, okay, now the password is this. I will try to reset once again. Yes, now user will know that his password is updated successfully. Okay, now I will refresh the data to confirm yes it is updated successfully. But if after successful password update, if we keep the page as it is not a good idea. So we can either navigate to the login page so that user can log in to his application using the new credentials, or we can directly call some function to auto login using these new password. So in this tutorial I will just show that how we can navigate to the login page after successful update reset password. Just navigate to the same page number 4. Okay, okay, here we have something called after processing. Just right click. Once we right click, there is three options are available: expand all below, collapse all below. These are something like I will explain that now. So create branch. After once we click right click on the after processing, there is option create branch. What is this create branch? Let's see. Okay, I have created clicked on create branch. Then it is asking for target. It means uh, we have option in Oracle Apex, so that after successful process or something happen in successful, so we can tell our application that navigate to certain pages in the application. Okay, so here we can define navigation to the login page. Just select that page number. So if you don't remember the page number, we have search functionality using the names also, so we can use that. Okay, select the login page. Then if you want to reset automatically the username, because user don't want to fill his email ID once again, so we can use this thing. Okay, so that this will set automatically to the login page username. Okay, this is there. So we can see here the name automatically changed to go to page. This is this. Here we defined navigation. Okay, if you want to define a particular button for this, okay, we can select the button, so that this navigation branching will happen only when we click this button and this process is happen. Okay, save and run. Okay, let me navigation through the link once again. Yes, we are here, and I will reset the password. Yes, you can notice here now it automatically navigated to the login page. Yeah, this is the simple forgot password functionality we have implemented. And also I will quickly explain one more things here. So in this we need to make something like if these things are not matching, confirm password and new password, if those things are not matching, so we can add some error message. We can show the validated message to the user, so that user can update the correct password. That thing is pending, and we can learn that things in the next tutorials. Thank you. friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you need any topics, particular topics as a tutorial, just mention that in the comment box, so that I will definitely create a video tutorial for you. Thank you, thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.